Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore, and today I have a quick tip. So, this may not be new to some of you, but a light bulb hit me the other day and it was like, why didn't I ever think of that before? So I'm going to share it with you because I haven't seen it anywhere on YouTube shared, but I'm going to be coloring with my Stampin' Write markers. I'm going to show you how I always have done it. So, what you're going to do is when you color these, this has a Christmas tree on it. So I'm going to color the tree with my Stampin' Write marker. And I don't want this a solid image, so that's why I am coloring it different colors. I want it to just look like a tree. And I want to color the star individually and the sentiment. So I'm going to use some Daffodil Delight for the star, and then I'm going to color the words in real red. And this is how you use your Stampin' Write markers to color your images. So you have to huff on this with some hot air, so you just breathe on it and then you stamp. Okay, so look at the difference in that. So you have all the colors and it's really pretty just like that. But let me bring in my Stamparatus. And it didn't hit me to use this until the other day when I was creating my project for Wednesday. So by the way, come back Wednesday and watch my box video and you're going to see me do this technique. Alright, so let me just clean this off before I do the other part because I need to place this on my Stamparatus. This tool is such a great tool, and now I have another way to use my Stampin' Write markers. I have been kind of leaning against them, away from them since I got the blends, but not anymore. So I'm going to color this with my garden green. Just like I did before, I'm going to color it all the same way. Daffodil Delight for the star, and then the real red. Alright, so we're going to stamp it. And we got the same image, right? But no, we can do this again because of the Stamparatus, where you can. So we're going to do it again. We're going to color it all the same again. And I love using different colors, but I have been, like I said, moving away from it because I didn't like it always so light. But you don't have to settle. So now look, and then you could do it one more time. You could do this as many times as you want until you get it as dark as you like. And it looks just like a regular stamped image. People are going to say, how did you get all those colors on just one stamp? So here's our third try, and look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love this little tip, and I hope it's going to help you because a light bulb just hit, and I know some of you already know this, but I just wanted to get this out there for those of you who were like me and were thinking, how in the world can I get it to look darker and have it look so pretty? Alright everyone, so that is my tip for the day, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my video Wednesday for my treat box that I use this exact image on. Catch you in the next one. Bye.